Here I have OnePlus 10T, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system settings, accessibility, vision, TalkBack. Here you can enable TalkBack. After that, TalkBack tutorial starts.
Features are now disabled. Welcome to TalkBack. Welcome to TalkBack, page 1 of 5. TalkBack is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen.
Okay, so
You can turn
now
TalkBack on or off
when you
by
know
holding
what
both volume keys
TalkBack
for
is
several
about,
seconds.
what you should know is that like when you're in TalkBack, to perform any action you have to firstly select it, and then to confirm it, double tap on it. Close tutorial. Yes, please.
TalkBack. Navigate up button.
So if you want to
Press
disable
select
TalkBack, tap here,
TalkBack.
then double tap,
Turn off TalkBack.
and then once again,
Stop.
and double tap.
TalkBack off.
And that's how you can easily turn off TalkBack feature. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.